Today I am going to teach you about the topic electrovalent bond or ionic bond. They are the bonds which are formed by the acceptance or donation of electrons. Acceptance or donation means कि either an atom will give an electron and the other atom will gain an electron. Okay, so this is an electrovalent or ionic bond. Now I am going to teach you about how to make electron dot structures for electrovalent or ionic bond. Now, the first compound that I am going to teach you about is sodium chloride, that is NaCl. So first we'll write that what is the atomic number of Na? 11. What is the atomic number of chlorine? 17. Now write the electronic configuration. So 281, 287. Now how many valence electrons are present in sodium? So the valence electron in sodium is 1 and the valence electron in chlorine is 7. So we will draw like this. Sodium has 1 electron, chlorine has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electron. Now see this. So what has happened? Chlorine can't give its 7 electron to sodium, but sodium can easily give 1 electron to chlorine. So sodium will give 1 electron to chlorine. So now chlorine will have 8 electrons and now sodium will have the 2-8 configuration. Okay. Now if sodium is losing 1 electron, that means sodium will get a 1 positive charge and chlorine is gaining 1 electron. So chlorine will have 1 negative charge. Like this. Okay. So sodium will have 1 positive charge because it has lost 1 electron. Chlorine has gained 1 electron. So chlorine will have 1 negative charge. So this is the structure for or electron dots diagram for NaCl. Calcium oxide. So calcium has atomic number 20. The electronic configuration will be 2882. Oxygen has atomic number 8. So electronic configuration will be 26. So oxygen has 6 valence electrons and calcium will have 2 valence electrons. So I am drawing calcium with 2 valence electrons, oxygen with 6 valence electrons like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is easy for calcium to give both of its electrons to oxygen. So oxygen will get how many? 2, 8 and then calcium will become 2, 8, 8. Calcium is giving its 2 electrons. So calcium got a 2 positive charge. Oxygen is gaining 2 electrons. So oxygen will get 2 negative charge. So this is the electron dot structure for CaO. Next compound is magnesium fluoride. So magnesium has atomic number 12, that means 282. Fluorine has 9, that is 2 and 7. So magnesium 2 valence electrons, fluorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electrons. Okay. Now what is happening? That fluorine can't give a 7th electron. So magnesium can give easily 1 electron. So 1 electron magnesium will give to this fluorine. But still 1 electron is left with magnesium and fluorine octet is complete. So what we will do? We will take another fluorine atom and now another fluorine atom will have 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 electron will come to this fluorine atom. So now 1 magnesium is losing 2 electrons. So Mg will have a 2 plus charge. But how many fluorine we have? We have 1, 2 fluorine. So it will be 2F. And 1 fluorine is accepting 1 electron. So 2F minus. So this is the structure for magnesium fluoride MgF2. Okay. So the next compound is lithium oxide. So lithium has atomic number 3. That means 2, 1 electronic configuration. Oxygen 2, 6. So lithium is having 1 electron. Oxygen having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So if lithium can give 1 electron to this, then a lithium duplet will be complete. Okay, it's 2. But oxygen will still have 7 electrons. So oxygen need 1 more electron. So we will take 1 more lithium and this lithium will also give 1 electron to oxygen. So how many lithium we have? 1 and 2. 2 lithium, so 2 Li giving 1 electron each. So 2 Li and then plus 1. Because they are 2 lithium and they are giving 1 electron. Then we have only 1 oxygen gaining 2 electrons. So 1 oxygen and 2 minus charge. So this is the structure for lithium oxide.